It's got some extraordinary features as this machine, and it really is worthy of a closer inspection.
Julian, I want the lowdown on these vision wide machines.
You know, Lindsay, this is, for a young company, Vision Wide, it really is an incredible setup. This is only one of a very large range of machines from Vision Wide. This is a double column milling machine, a vertical milling machine. A lot of capabilities on there, a lot of spec to offer for the right company. But the thing is, it's not just this one. This has got 4 by 2 metre table, but a 4 by 1.5, a 5, a 6, a 7, an 8 metre long table if that's what you need. The ability to put a 4th axis on there comes as standard. And you know, there's a lot of things on this machine to be taking a good close look at.
Are they all travelling beds then?
Incredibly, no. As I said, the Vision Wide company are so very, very focused on the future. It's like, well, yes, this machine, as you can see here, is a moving bed machine.
Yeah.
You can have a moving gantry machine. You can have a machine that will turn as well as mill. There's a lot of different things you can offer.
Right, okay, so you've got a huge range. What's the USP for this brand then? What do they do and they do so well?
I think what they've done, they've taken the lessons of the established builders in Taiwan and Japan and Germany, and they've incorporated all those new features, including the styling, which has got to be said is incredible, on the actual guarding. And they've incorporated all those features into their range of machines. I think they've done really, really well with them.
And industries? What industries are they kind of aiming for?
Well, I mean, for example, this machine's got quite a large machine table, but the way that the machine's been specified and put together, you could use it for mould and die, press tools, machining fabrications, the oil industry. With a 4th axis, I could machine shafts. There's a variety of different, there isn't just one thing to focus on. We've got this machine under power today because we like to show people the machines moving around and what the potential of a machine like this could be. But you know, there's a couple of things that you should really start looking at, and for the aficionados amongst us, look at the spindle. It's a big BBT 50 spindle. It's got a high horsepower motor and a gearbox drive to it. The relationship between the position of the spindle and the actual guideways themselves from the y-axis has been reduced to a point that makes it absolutely so rigid in combination with the box guideway construction of that Z-axis ram. You'll see for yourself, when the doors open, the tool changer is fully enclosed. Quite unique really in that, because you don't want swarf ingress, the chips getting in there, getting onto the back ends of the tooling. It's got some extraordinary features as this machine, and you know, those are only a few of them, and it really is worthy of a closer inspection.
And what amazes me is a machine like this is readily available in stock.
In stock, I know, it really is incredible. You know, the fact is, people think, well, Ward High Tech, we know that what they do. They know some of the smaller machines, but they're not perhaps aware of such things like this, you know, a big double column machine from Ward High Tech. Wow! And look at the capability and the size of it. It's fantastic.
And to top that off, do not forget that Ward High Tech, for a limited time only, are doing a buy now and pay nothing until 2023. So why not upgrade your technology today?